up, guys? Welcome to another video. So as you can see, I have a mess today, but I'm going to replace the serpentine belt tensioner. I took out the manifold just to replace the injector cups. These injector cups are what they say they were. I think they say there is aluminum, something like that. So these are the ones, and these are the ones that replace the plastic ones. I got this from eBay. Don't think that everything that you buy out of eBay, you know, is cheap and it doesn't work. These are pretty cool. I paid $70 for this one, and they sent me a of these injectors O-rings, but I already put new ones on mine, so you already know in case you're following the videos. So I'm thinking of painting my manifold white to use this type of paint. The manifold and the valve cover. Please, if you ever try to replace your injector cups, you know, because they break with time. It's plastic. Let me see if I can show you one of. Just look at this thing. This is not good. All this you see is with time and all the heat and everything, this plastic ain't no good. That's what they always crack. So I was trying to pull them out and they all break, but you know, never try to do, you know, while you have the manifold, you know, while the manifold is still in the car, because this plastic, you know, can go into your valves, you know, and just do a mess in there. Always take it up if you try to replace your the injector cups. Even if you break one, don't oh, these mosquitoes, man. Shit, if you break one, you know, just take the manifold out. Don't start your car and then just, you know, put a vacuum in there or something, you know, just to get all the pieces out. So I'm replacing the serpentine belt tensioner. Let's put it here. Go forward, and that way you're gonna be able to release the belt. Let me pause the video. This is very easy, guys. I hope you don't mind, you know, that I keep pausing the videos, but once you pull this forward, then you're gonna be able to release the belt. Once the belt's out, then the only thing you gotta do is just gotta take 3 bolts. Only 3 bolts. That is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. These are 13mm socket. Just get a ratchet and just get these 3 out. Okay, once you take the 3 bolts out, it comes right out. Just time to put the new one. Put it the same way. So it just goes like this. And then you just gotta pull your 3 bolts back, and then I'll tell you the rest. Let me just put this one. Okay, once you put your new one, put your belt back, start from the top. That way it's not gonna be hard for you. The good thing about putting a new tensioner is that this little pin right here already pulled the little pulley back. So that way when you release this one, then it's gonna tension the belt, but you don't have to be pushing this, so you don't need anybody else to help you. That's the way it goes from the top, and that's the way it should be. See, it goes from up there, comes down here, all the way around here, there, and then the belt just go all the way up. I hope you're able to see, just like that. So once you put that one back, you are pretty much done. And remember, you know, my shitty camera always do that. So now we just gotta get that little pin out. Oh, this is a good one. It's a sticker. Okay, it's like that, guys. Just pull this back. just pull that forward and then just release the little pin, and that way, you know, it's gonna tension the belt. If you're replacing the Serpentine belt tensioner, you might as well replace the belt. So I already did. So I'm just giving you an update. Like I told you, if you guys think, you know, that white is not gonna be a good color for the manifold and the valve cover, I mean, just let me know. This is gonna be like the contrast of the manifold. I just gotta, you know, clean this and put new sealing. They look pretty cool. I mean, yellow, I seen the yellow, but you see, I always think, you know, they have leaks and everything, so that's what I decided to replace them. It's a little upgrade, guys, a little upgrade, but $70 for that little upgrade. I mean, kind of not too expensive, but for 4-cup injectors, I mean, that's not I mean, I think it is a good price, because, you know, if you want your car to look good, then you gotta spend some money. And then something that I wanted to show you is this. Oh my goodness, look at this one. I got all brand new, you know, rotors for the car. I got these ones from ECS Tuning, and I got in with these ceramic pads. So this is freaking cool. I can't wait to put this on. I might do, you know, next week. Sorry, I've been very busy. I've been very busy, you know, with work. But these are the ones that are going in next week. I'm gonna do a video for it. These and the real ones. I ordered everything, the whole set with ceramic pads. I paid close to $400 for them. But yeah, that's something, you know, I would spend $400, even more, you know, for the right rotors. I wish, you know, I can put some Brembo or something like that, you know, but nah, I can't afford those. $2,700 just for a set of rotors with brake pads. No can do, no can do. So that is everything for this video, guys. I hope, you know, you like what I'm doing with this car. And I'm sorry it's taking so long, you know, but I have to work, then come back home, you know, and I pretty much have a lot of parts for this car. I just don't have the time right now. But if you don't think this white is gonna be good for the manifold and the valve cover, just let me know. I mean, just give me some ideas, please. I mean, whatever you have. I want to get to know, you know, each and every one of you. It's almost 5,000 subscribers. That's good. Thank you so much. Next video, guys, I don't know when. Hopefully Monday. It's my day off. Hopefully Monday I will do the rotors, and I will paint, you know, the manifold and the valve cover. Just remember, if you're replacing your injector cups, take your manifold out. Don't leave it in. Take it out, you know, do whatever you have to do. Make sure, you know, these guys sent me this tool, you know, to get the little plastics out. But like I told you, once you put it in, the cup is gonna break. And they also send you like some sealing and a brush and all that stuff. I don't know what all that stuff is. So they send you new sealing and a brush, but I don't know where I put the brush. So that's everything for this video, guys. If you have any questions about this car, I mean, just add me on Facebook, Instagram, send me a message, you know. I mean, just comment, you know, on this video or any of the videos, and I try to reply, you know, to almost every comment if I can. You know, it's just because sometimes I'm busy. It's not because I want to be mean. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.